Meaning of dress uniform.
Dress uniform.
Dress uniform.
Dress uniform.
Dress uniform. Dress uniform refers to a specific type of military or formal attire worn by members of certain organizations during ceremonies, formal events, or other occasions where a high level of formality is required. Typically, dress uniforms are characterized by their distinctive design elements and use of specific materials and colors. They may feature items such as formal jackets, trousers, ties, caps, and insignia. In many cases, the design of a particular dress uniform reflects the history and traditions of the organization it represents, and serves as a symbol of that organization's values and ideals.